Holy cow, that is a lot of volume piling in. Over 250,000 in the first few seconds of the trading open. CREG, Charlie Romeo Echo Golf, also piling in on some volume here. Big volume, a little bit of extension. I want to see if we can get some running momentum above the VWAP. That's important here. Risk off and KNDI. Early mover, Bravo Oscar, X-Ray Lima, Zulu Sierra, Alpha November. BOXL started getting some late activity. Here's some big volume in this name too. All right, Alpha Bravo India Oscar. That was the name that I mentioned. Keep an eye on that one. That was the big gainer from yesterday. Decent swing so far. Decent swing so far. Let's see if they're able to raise it up. KNDI Volatile ZSAN. I think I might have to jump in this one. I really actually want a pullback more than anything for Zulu Sierra Alpha November. They already took out the pre-market highs. So I guess this is the pullback we're going to have to take a look at. It's going to be a 265 or lower with the stop at 250. Is that right? We'll give it a few minutes here. On the 1 minute chart, it's at 269 or lower with the stop at 253. I'm looking for the 5 minute setup. BOXL straight down. OTLK. OTLK is getting a little volatile. Tight range so far. We're looking for expansion.